Air fryers have a problem and it's not your recipe.
Here's what's actually happening inside your air fryer. The hot air is blasted on the surface of your food,
Whereas the inside, it only gets the heat that travels through and it gets it layer by layer. The outside and the inside both cook at different speeds. Set it high, the outside crisps up before the inside cooks. Set it low, the inside cooks through, but the outside never really crisps. One temperature, you pick which problem you want. But guess what? You can fix this problem manually on any air fryer. At first, you have to cook the food at a lower temperature so that the insides get cooked evenly, and then crank up the temperature so that the outsides get crispy. This works and it's just physics. The problem here is that you should know how long you should cook the food at a lower temperature for, when to crank up the temperature, and how long should you cook the food at a higher temperature. The worst part is, it varies all the time. And the answer is different for every food, every thickness, every time. And that's exactly what Upliance Air Fryer does. Automatically. You pick the texture you want. It manages the stages. And it's not just the temperature. It also adjusts the fan speed at each stage, and if you tell it what you're cooking, it adapts the whole profile for that food. There is a lot more going inside this air fryer than it's being covered in the video, but that's the point of it. Cooked inside, crispy outside, all in one go.